Hi, I'm Dr. Chavi Mehra, Chief Medical Officer at SugarFit, and I bring to you a new series where we learn about the harmful effects of diabetes on the various organs of our body. Diabetes has an adverse impact on most parts of our body from the head to the toe. The longer you live with uncontrolled diabetes, the risk of complications worsens. In diabetes, the defect is in our body's ability to produce or use insulin, a hormone that helps our body to process glucose into energy. Today, continuing on our series, I bring to you the harmful effects of diabetes on your feet and your limbs. Diabetes can have a significant effect on the limbs, primarily due to complications arising from poor circulation and nerve damage. Diabetes often leads to, as we know, peripheral neuropathy, causing tingling, numbness and pain in the limbs, particularly your feet and hands. Nerve damage can result in reduced sensation, making individuals with diabetes less aware of injuries or trauma to their limbs. Poor circulation and compromised immune function in diabetes increases susceptibility to infections, particularly of your lower limbs or extremities. Diabetes can slow down the healing of wounds, ulcers, or injuries on the limbs, leading to an increased risk of complications. Weakened bones and joints, a condition known as Charcot's joints, may also develop, especially if that happens to your feet, causing deformities and instabilities. Diabetes contributes to the narrowing of blood vessels, leading to peripheral arterial disease, reduced blood flow to the limbs, and increasing the risk of complications. Reduced blood flow in the limbs causes a symptom called claudication, characterized by pain or cramping during physical activity. Severe complications such as untreated infection or peripheral arterial disease may lead to tissue death, which is also known as gangrene, which requires immediate medical attention. Prolonged uncontrolled diabetes and associated complications elevate the risk of amputations, particularly in your lower extremities. Regular monitoring, proper foot care, and comprehensive diabetes management, including blood sugar control, are essential to prevent and minimize the adverse effects of diabetes on your limbs. Seeking prompt medical attention for any signs of complications like gangrene is crucial for maintaining limb health in individuals with diabetes. I hope this was helpful to you all, and I'll see you next time.